Determination, terminate was placed as second at best. Perpetrating perps and hazes, jerking work from the west. I swear it's crazy, it amazed me what we fail to confess. The room is hazy, sparking daisies, yours can't even contest. We wake up blaze, fuck the maid and make her clean up the mess. They doc I'm crazy, but I made it, thanks like Ronald Test. The open shop, 6 o'clock, token pot, sipping shots, broken thoughts, choking coughs, hoping brandy, Hogan Moss, 10 unpilled, bottles killed, bagging pipe, hat and kilt, blowing trees and sowing seeds, but so it seems to flow supreme. The stars and checks, we spit bars at guess, but from your target market, yeah, you spit saws at best. Yours truly from anonymous, spitting on dual monitors. I got that dirty working copper from my gynecologist. So light the blunts and tighten nuts, but fix your mood. The bolts unscrewed, the golden rule. Just keep you cool and be yourself. The night runs smooth.
Younger growing up, it was tough being a lonely pup. Big sis moved out early, my soul only, I had to toughen up. Mom and pops were too wrapped up in bullshit, it seemed to me. Echoes of 6 standoffs while my fingers jammed off masterpiece. Strings of 6, my second love, cello was the first. Third was my first human love, but that turned out the worst. Too much pain, I shook this curse. Now I'm blessed with real fam. In my head that evil lurks, I shake it thanks to Garland. So now I seek serenity in every single verse. Expressions, liberation, I love this, so I make it work. Money, last piece to master, for real freedom. Bet your bottom dollar, this is Hill Classic season. Let's blow up, make any move where reachable is home. I keep my mind right, I can do anything when in the zone. Daily, my nuts and bolts. Hill Classics. Fam.